Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounts Mantra. Today we are going to discuss how to calculate GDP FC, that is gross domestic product at a factor cost, and factor income to abroad by income method. Let's discuss this question. First value that is given, compensation of employees 800, next profit 200, dividend 50, gross domestic capital formation 300, change in stock 50, net indirect tax 120, gross national product at a market price 1400, rent 150, interest 100, net fixed capital formation 200, and factor income from abroad, that is 60. So from this information or this particulars, how we can calculate GDP FC. So we know the income method, different components, that is first component, compensation of employees, second one, rent, third one is interest, fourth one is profit, and fifth one is mixed income. These 5 components total is equal to NDP FC, net domestic product at a factor cost. These 5 components that is related with the income method, these 5 items are there. These 5 items total is equal to NDP FC. Then one by one we discuss. Compensation of employees, that given in the question 800. Compensation of employees 800. Next, rent is given, that is 150. Interest given, interest also given, that is 100. Profit 200. Then mixed income not mentioned in this. So this total is equal to 800, 200, 1000, 250. This 1250. So NDP FC is equal to 1250. Then, so this we written. Another important thing, one dividend 50 is given. Dividend 50 means this profit, we know the 3 elements, sub elements of this profit, that is first one corporate tax, second one dividend, third one is retained earnings. This 3 total is equal to profit. Then if any elements given additionally along with this profit, that time you no need to consider this additional elements, because dividend 50 means it already included in the profit 200. So no need to take this value 50. Then next information given, then rent and interest, these all we already took. Then that total is equal to NDPFC, that is 1250. Then another information given in the question, that is GNP MP 1400. GNP MP 1400. This is GNP, that means gross national product at a market price. What we need? We need gross domestic product at a factor cost. So this net domestic product at a factor cost plus depreciation is equal to gross domestic product at a factor cost. This I am going to wipe because not required now. So NDPFC 1250 plus depreciation is equal to GDPFC. What we need? GDPFC. So net to gross means plus depreciation. Then from this information, how we can calculate depreciation? Gross domestic capital formation given 300. Gross domestic capital formation 300. Then net fixed capital formation 200 and change in stock 50. Change in stock 50. So 250. So net fixed capital formation plus change in stock is equal to net domestic capital formation. Net domestic capital formation 250, gross domestic capital formation 300. So gross net, this difference is equal to depreciation. So depreciation is equal to 50. So the depreciation 50 you add here, then you will get 1300, that is GDPFC, gross domestic product at a factor cost. So one value, that is calculate GDPFC, gross domestic product at a factor cost, we got 1300. Then next we have to calculate factor income to abroad. Factor income to abroad. So this information we took, this also, and factor income to abroad, how we can calculate? That means here factor income from abroad given 60. So this GDP FC is equal to 1300 and another information GNP MP 1400. GNP MP that given in the question, that is 1400. This is GDP, one GG common, DP NP. DP to NP means NFIA. Then this factor cost, this market price. Then this factor cost also can convert into market price, that means plus net indirect tax. Net indirect tax you add, net indirect tax given in the question, that is 120. 120 you add, then 0, 2, then 4 and 1. Here GDP FC is equal to 1300, net indirect tax 120, then that total is equal to GDP MP, that is 1420. Then GNP MP that given in the question 1400. We know this G gross same, market price same. The difference is national product and a domestic. Then domestic to national means plus NFIA. Domestic to national plus NFIA. Then this domestic to national NFIA, that is 1400. 1400 is the national one. Then domestic one is 1420. So the difference is 20. Then difference 20 means NFIA. NFIA is equal to minus 20. Then we know NFIA is equal to from net factor income from abroad minus to abroad. Then from abroad given in the question 60 and this value we know minus 20. Then 2 value we have to calculate. Then 2 is equal to this 60, this 20 going to this side, that is 80. So this factor income to abroad is equal to 80. So GDPFC value, GDPFC 1300 and net factor income to abroad is equal to 80. So I hope you understood this calculation. I will come with more videos related with this national income. Until then, bye.